Hello guys, this is Yoshi. Today I'm going for a walk. Let's go. Don't mind the tree, that's just that's 25. He's going with the wall man. Let's go. Do do do. Do do do. I have never got this far away. I'd love to go places. I've gone to Walmart. I've been in Walmart. I was made in Asia. No. When I go back, it's all like 37 seconds in the video. Dang. Friggin' bushes everywhere. This time of year. Just can't trust them. There we go. Kidding me. There's more! Fucking bushes. Hate this. I hate it. Alright. Up a little bit. Wait for my house to run through. There's water down there. Some pure water. I'm gonna die. Starvation. Do the bye. Do the bye. Okay. We're gonna make it to the sign, guys. We're gonna walk all the way to the sign and go back. Let's do this. Walking, running, jumping, and running. I know it's a weird idea, but I'm doing it. The progress is so good. It's 2 minutes and like say 28 seconds. Oh, I guess that perfectly. Hold on. I think I did. It should be at least 2 minutes and 38 seconds. 2 minutes and 42 seconds. 2 minutes and 44 seconds. 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Well, am I guessing this perfectly? The progress is so good. Maybe we'll make it past the side a little bit. I've been willing to venture out a lot. Okay, we passed the water. And it's like real close. Ooh, let's back up a little. Let's get over here a little bit. Into a little closer to the road. Don't want to get like in the road, guys. That I can get right over. I don't want that. So I'm gonna get stays. Oh! I have butt painted. I have so much to them, but no. I'm still like this far from the road. And oh! Here comes a local person. Oh! Litter! I should have brought a trash bag with me. Litter. I cannot stand these people. Literally on this perfect road. It's so natural. And seriously, people, we have got to stop this. Okay, maybe I went a little too far. Let's continue a little bit. Okay, a little bit more. Let's talk here about 5 and 30 seconds. I'm going to turn around. So I'm gonna walk so far. It's great. It's good to get out in the fresh air. If you wonder why I have my phone with me, it's because I want to document this walk. I'll post it on YouTube. Yoshi's amazing walk into the wild. Yeah, nature. Yeah, I'll call it nature. This is Yoshi's walk into nature. Oh god. Looking about some more crap here. I'm pretty sure we're about to hit 5 minutes. Nope, we just hit 5 minutes. We have 30 more seconds to walk up forward before I jog back home. Litter. I'm going in 5 seconds. And while I'm going back, I can just pick up litter. Litters. And okay, it's time to now. These. Well, time for jog home. Whoa, whoa. I love jogging. Woo. We'll jog a little bit. Sorry about that. Look at this beautiful sky. The sun's beginning to set. The stars will be coming out soon. Nature, polluters, polluting the air. Air polluters. Man, because we haven't run into any of those green bushes lately. From the walk over there, we have a little bit. Litter, and those are oil cans, right? Am I right? Am I right? Is that oil? Let me check. Oh, that's. This is oil. That's motor oil. Wait. For gasoline industry. That is oil. If that bottle has any oil in it, if it were to leak out when someone littered and all of a sudden a forest fire started, it could cause a fire if it just leaked out. Oh my goodness, I hate these people that litter. Stop the litter. Keep our state and our world clean, everybody. Keep it clean. And I mean it. I mean it. I mean it. Serious? If you guys are thinking about serious, oh, wait until you start littering. Then you're gonna be watching this video again when I tell you to stop littering. I'm serious with this crap, guys. Uh-oh. That's not the this again. But stop. Perfectly good. Nice plants growing here. But they can't grow good and well with your litter. The animals here. Snakes. I know. Snakes live here. This morning, I've seen a snake live around my mailbox once up in the house. How far? I think we made it about halfway up the road. This part, I'm gonna go Olympic style. We're going for the front. Come on. It's going high. Oh, nah. Da, da. Da, da. Ouch. They're not real tall. I guess these plants are non-vascular plants. I read it on Google. It's like science. So, well, this is ending Yoshi's Walk into Nature. I live at BTS for a might show you my wilderness training I had to do to get here. From now on, yes, I'm gonna do what Smash does. Cause I just love them so much. And I just think it would be good if I had some BTS too. Every day I'm gonna make a video, then we're gonna show behind the scenes, so yay! It is happening. And since I have to go another 5 minutes, 30 seconds, it's back. I suppose I'll just, well, actually, you know what? Well, I have to go another 5 minutes, 30 seconds. So I'll just sort of walk up. Since I ran a little bit, or going down, look a lot. Yeah, I think this is a good spot in this video. Well, beautifulness. Oh, never mind, we're actually about to hit 11 minutes, which is what we need. Oh, leave a like and comment on how it was great. Said spots. Save endangered species. Bye.